Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we will explain how to change the created date on a PDF using a simple built-in method on your computer. This guide is easy to follow and works without extra software. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your computer and locate the PDF file you want to edit, because the file must be accessible before you can change any of its properties. Step 2. Right-click on the PDF file and select Properties from the menu, as this option opens the settings where file details like dates are stored. Step 3. Click the Details tab inside the Properties window, since this section shows metadata information such as the created date and modified date. Step 4. Click Remove Properties and Personal Information, which is used to clear existing metadata from the file safely. Step 5. Select Create a Copy with all possible properties removed and click OK, because this creates a new PDF file with refreshed property data. Step 6. Right-click the newly created PDF copy and select Properties again, allowing you to review the updated file information. Step 7. Click the Details tab to confirm that the created date has been updated to the current date and time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.